Garmin has just rolled out two new additions to its Forerunner lineup, the 570 and the 970. These models build on the success of the earlier Forerunner 265 and 965, though the numbering might seem a little off, especially since the 570 aligns more closely with the 265 than its name might suggest. Alongside these watches, Garmin introduced the HRM600 chest strap, which adds advanced running metrics to the 970. These devices are tailored for serious athletes and runners who want cutting-edge performance, tracking, and smart features, though they come with a premium price tag. The Forerunner 570 starts at $549, while the 970 is priced at $749, nudging it into Garmin's high-end territory, just under the Fenix series. The 570 is available in two sizes, 42 and 47, with identical features in both. The larger model naturally offers better battery life due to its increased size. The design has been upgraded with a sleek aluminum bezel and metal buttons, giving it a more refined and sturdy feel compared to older models. However, it doesn't include full offline maps. Instead, it relies on breadcrumb navigation and has 8 GB of internal storage for music and apps via Garmin's Connect IQ platform. In terms of functionality, the 570 covers the bases: body battery, stress tracking, heart rate variability, Garmin Pay, and more. It's positioned well in the mid to premium fitness watch space. The 970 takes everything further. It looks similar to the 570, but adds premium materials like a titanium bezel and buttons. It also features a sapphire crystal display, which is highly scratch-resistant, ideal for rugged use. Unlike the 570, the 970 comes only in the 47mm size. A notable feature on the 970 is its built-in flashlight, inspired by models like the Instinct 3 and Fenix. It's a practical touch for those who train in low-light conditions. Additionally, the 970 includes a sensor guard to protect the barometer and enhance durability, similar to what's seen on the Fenix 8 series. Its AMOLED display is the same size as the 570's but boasts better brightness and color accuracy. Unlike the 570, the 970 supports full offline maps, showing trails, roads, waterways, and landmarks directly on the watch without a phone. It also comes with 32 GB of storage for maps, apps, and music. In terms of software, the 970 introduces a couple of new performance metrics. One is running economy, which evaluates your efficiency while running. It requires the HRM600 chest strap for data input. Another is running tolerance, which gauges how your body is coping with your recent training load. No chest strap needed for this one. Both watches share some significant upgrades. They feature Garmin's brightest displays to date, which are reportedly about twice as bright as older models. They also now include speakers and microphones, a first for the Forerunner line, allowing for offline voice commands. You can use your voice to activate features, check weather updates, and control music hands-free. Both models use Garmin's latest Gen 5 heart rate sensor, which offers improved accuracy and enables new health features like skin temperature monitoring. The ECG function, however, is exclusive to the 970. Both also include multi-band GPS for greater location precision, though real-world performance testing is still underway. A new evening report feature complements the existing morning summary, giving users a recap of their day and an outlook for tomorrow. There's also a race predictor tool to estimate finishing times for events like 5Ks and marathons, based on your training history. Another interesting feature is Auto Lap by Timing Gate, which corrects for GPS discrepancies in major races by syncing lap distances with official course data. Garmin plans to support this for around 25 large races initially. And if you forget to stop your watch at the finish line, a new alert will remind you and suggest doing so. Battery life is a mixed bag. The 570 offers around 11 days of regular use, 18 hours in standard GPS mode, and 14 hours with all GNSS systems enabled. The 970 improves slightly, reaching 15 days of general use and 26 hours with GPS, or 21 with all systems. These numbers are down from previous models due to new power-hungry features like the brighter screens, audio functions, and flashlight. In summary, both the Forerunner 570 and 970 come with meaningful improvements. The 570 offers a stylish, feature-rich experience at a more accessible price point. The 970, on the other hand, brings Garmin closer to its flagship Fenix series with advanced materials, mapping, and running analysis tools. While battery life has taken a slight hit, many users may find the trade-off worthwhile. If you're an avid runner or fitness enthusiast, deciding between the two will come down to what features matter most to you and whether you're willing to pay more for the extras the 970 brings. Either way, both models show Garmin's continued push to evolve the running watch experience.